Okay, I'm walk away from the boiling geyser, and it's beautiful day. Of course, it's beautiful day, and on this that tree, that is the geyser we just went. Then la geyser la something up there, and keep walking. It's beautiful day in Yellowstone. It's like imagine this million years ago. One time this kaboom, kaboom. Well, they said if this is kaboom, all half the United States gone. I don't know. I don't know about that though. That what someone said. But anyway, you need to visit this place once in your lifetime to see wonder of the world, right? Yellowstone National Park, right?